Where's my Uber Eats. Thank you. Just kidding, come inside my apartment tour. Welcome to my crib. Hey. Welcome to my apartment tour. I've loved living in this apartment for 2 years. I lived here 2 years with my husband and we've loved living here, but we will be going very soon. Let me give you some specs about this apartment. This is a 700 square foot, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment built after World War II. Let's start with the entryway. So when you walk in, we had a lot of visions for this entryway, but we weren't able to completely execute on these visions. But when you walk in, you can just drop your mask, your keys off in this cute little holder. You can also put your wallet here. And one of my favorite features of our entryway is our entryway bench, which we got from Article. This bench is amazing because it also doubles as a storage for all of our many totes that we get living in this city, where instead of getting a plastic bag, you get totes. So then you end up having hundreds of thousands of totes. So that's one of the perks of living in New York City. We also have this entryway closet, which I won't show you everything, but just so you know, this is where we put all of our shoes. Did you take off your shoes? We have all of our shoes in here and also our coats. Now when you walk in, you have our beautiful kitchen. I love the design of this kitchen, guys. Like, this is one of my favorite areas of the apartment. Check out this waterfall island. One of the things that's really rare in New York City apartments is to have a kitchen that really just opens into the living room. Like, this space is just so open. So when you're hosting people, when you're cooking, you can talk and communicate with them while also cooking and preparing the meals. So I love this aspect of our kitchen. Another thing I really love is our integrated fridge. So this kitchen is a very minimal, clean designs, very clean, sharp lines all over the kitchen. I love this fridge. It's a French door fridge. It stores a lot of our food items. It's Fisher Paykel integrated fridge, and the freezer is right down here. I love how it really blends in the kitchen. We have this extremely large sink, which I really love as well. We've made it even more functional for us by adding this really minimal dish rack that we are obsessed with as well. But yeah, the sink is huge. Like, it's so deep, it's so wide. Of course, one of my other favorite features of this kitchen is that we have really cool like lighting. So we have under cabinet lighting that you can easily turn on and off, as well as I love the marble. Oh, we also have a dishwasher, which is like a huge flex in New York City. Again, it's integrated, so you can't really tell that it's here. We have our other kitchen stuff as well, but another thing I love about this kitchen is also the floor. It's this minimal, clean design that's very easy to clean, and it really works with the entire kitchen space. Okay, now let's move on to the living room. So one of the cool features that's kind of an extension of the kitchen is our coffee bar spot. My husband and I love coffee. We are huge tea and coffee drinkers. So having this nice space just dedicated to our tea and coffee is super, super nice. Another cool feature of this area is that there's also under cabinet lighting too. So it adds a little bit extra to this space. Yeah, so here we keep all of our tea storage. We have so much storage here, guys. Like, let me show you how much storage we have here. This is where we keep all of our tea and coffees all in this space. We also have some alcohol too. As you can see, it's really packed because we are really huge tea drinkers. The coffee bar area also leads into the dining area. We actually have seats for 4 people, but we keep 1 seat out because, you know, if we had the 4 seats, it would be a little bit too crowded in this area. But you've seen a lot of our footage here where we have dinners here and we just relax here. Now we have the living room. The ceilings here are like 9 feet tall. Like, this place feels so spacious. This is probably one of the largest living rooms you can get in New York City. I feel like I'm a realtor right now because I love this apartment. But as you can see, it fits our huge couch that can fit like 7 people on it. We've had a love-hate relationship with this couch, honestly. Like, it's not comfortable, it is aesthetic, but the pillows kind of deflate. So this might be the only furniture piece in this apartment that we're not absolutely in love with. But for 3 years, it's done a good job and it fits the space perfectly. We have a little sitting area moment over here. I forgot to mention that when we were designing this apartment, we wanted to really capture Japandi modern vibe. So that's why we have a lot of wood, we have a lot of rice paper, we have some plants, just to really capture the natural Japandi essence. So yeah, we have this Amazon Togo couch dupe, which we love. It's so comfortable. You guys know I love candles, so I always have a candle lit here that's on my candle warmer. We really love this book that we got from Portugal, from the oldest library in the world. It's a book about menu design, which we really love. And then this little thing my husband got, Snorlax for Pokemon that my husband got. Now we have the main feature that this living room is all around, which is our frame TV. Guys, we love the frame TV. Even though in this lighting, it doesn't really look like a picture, in certain lighting, it looks like a picture. Like you could not tell me that it's a TV. So we really love that feature as well in this apartment. Our Xbox, all of our games and knickknacks are stored in our console table. So one of my favorite features of this entryway is this beautiful rug I got from my in-laws. It's a Turkish silk rug. Guys, I'm afraid to step on this rug because it's so beautiful. And it's funny because they got it without knowing the space we were gonna live in. So the fact that it fits perfectly into this space is a good sign, you know? Now let's go into the bedroom. What's interesting is that the bedroom is almost the same size as the living room. And we use our bedroom as both like a sleeping area and also a mini office area because it's so huge. It fits a queen size bed. I also love the green accent wall. It complements our Japandi vibes, which we really loved. When I moved into this apartment, one of the things I really wanted was to have a bed with a headboard, and we were able to get this one from West Elm. It was really worth the wait. And then flanking the bed are these very affordable Target nightstands that we've had for like 3 years, and it stores all of our essentials. The Japandi vibes still carry on with the green and the rice paper lamp, which we love. I also want to bring your attention over here to our dresser. We got this dresser from Article and it stores all of our clothes. Like this dresser plus our actual closet allows us to keep all of our clothing items. We have this huge mirror, which is great for getting ready, as well as a small little mirror whenever I want to get ready and wear my makeup. I store all my makeup here in this cute little bag and that really looks nice. And this is also my jewelry box that I got as a gift from my husband. That looks really beautiful in this space. So everything here just is very minimal, clean. We didn't want this area to be cluttered because we want to keep the bedroom very peaceful. And we also have our laundry basket here as well. Now let's move into the office, which is also in the bedroom. One of the coolest things we have is this PC. It has a 4090 GPU, which my husband is really proud of. He really wanted me to make sure that I mentioned this in this video. It's a really, really powerful GPU. You can do like AI on it. And then we have my desk setup. You guys are super familiar with this desk setup because I've showed it in like all my videos. I have my LG monitor, which I've had for such a long time. Love this LG monitor with my Logitech keyboard and mouse and a little desk mat and desk pad. We're an Apple family. Outside of the PC, we're an Apple family. So we have like 50 Apple laptops in this apartment. And of course we have some cute little design elements that we created. All these items are from the MoMA store. Have like a little art piece, a lamp, and also this little plant pot thing. An area I really also like too, which is my little bookshelf. We didn't want this area to feel too heavy on one side. We wanted to kind of balance it out. And this is why we have this bookshelf. We've really enjoyed having this bookshelf because it's really been the perfect YouTube background. When you are taking meetings, it's like the perfect background. We have all different types of books. My husband is a big reader, so we have a lot of books here. We have a printer, air filter, my YouTube plaque as well, and cute little lights. And that is our bedroom. We just really wanted this space to be so peaceful. We wanted it to be stress-free. We wanted to be able to come here and feel like we could rest, but also just have a little separation so we could focus and get work done in our office. I want to bring your attention to another thing I really enjoy in this space, which is this huge, beautiful rug that my in-laws got me. Guys, this rug, it's a silk rug, And you can see the attention to details is insane. Even though the colors are different from a lot of the core colors of the bedroom, it really goes well with our apartment. We love this rug so much. We're so excited to try to style it in our next apartment too. Oh yeah, we also have a closet here. I'll show you a little bit of the closet. It's huge. It's actually a huge closet. So you can even step inside. So it's kind of like a walk-in closet, you know? I'm gonna miss this apartment. And now the final area is the bathroom. We have one bathroom here, and this bathroom is a little small, but it really does do the job. It really goes with our Japandi theme as well, with the wood cabinet, and this is a lot of storage. We also have like a secret storage area to the side, which we are both obsessed with. We love this curved glass partition. We really love it. You know, we need our fancy soaps that we use all the time, our deep teak soaps. My favorite part of this bathroom that you can't even see is the shower pressure. Literally the best shower pressure ever. It's one of those things you don't even really think about when you're looking for apartments, but it makes a huge difference. And that's the full apartment tour. I'm so sad to be leaving this apartment. We had a great 2 years here, but this is kind of what $3,000 to $4,000 would get you for a 1-bedroom in Manhattan. Definitely make sure to tap the like button if you like this video and hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.